Today is 2nd of December 2023. We are heading back to Dolukanda. For what? We are going to fly again. You will see what I meant in later. I've been there many times, but this time I'm taking you with me. This is my first episode and hope it won't be the last one. This time onwards, I'm going to share the stories of my adventures. We trekked, we hiked, and we reached to the top. With this view, all our tiredness disappeared. Now all we have to do is tighten, and ensure the safety, and then step out from the edge. Now you know what I meant about flying.